Today we're gonna cut an onion. You see the back part where the root's at? Don't cut that piece off. So right now we're gonna cut the other side off and quickly just peel the onion. Don't peel too much, but just peel the first layer of onion real quick, just like this. And that's it. And also make sure you have a sharp knife. So this is the root side. So cut the onion in half and cut the other side. So thinly slice it. Keep your fingers 3 together to so you don't cut your finger off. Okay. And right now I'm just cutting it kind of slowly. See? Then you're gonna make 3 incisions on the side. Take your time. You don't want to cut your finger. And 1 more incision. So this is the second one, and I'm gonna do the third one on top. So actually that was 3 right there. Now just dice the onion. You see the mistake? See, that's a little bit better. Keep your fingers together, keep it tight at an angle so you don't cut your fingers off. And that's how you cut a white onion, or purple, whatever color it is. So this is another way you do it. So I tried the other way. Now I'm gonna try dicing it from the side first. See which way is easier. So 1, 2, and the last one 3. Oh, that's not too bad. And just for now, we're gonna dice on the opposite side of the root. Keep dicing down. Oh, this seems a little bit easier actually. And dice the onion. Oh, what do you think, everyone? First or second way? But who knows? I think the second way is better. So have a great day, like, subscribe, and take care.